What's the meaning of Broadmoor? Broadmoor. Broadmoor.
Broadmoor. Broadmoor. Broadmoor is a name that refers to multiple places and things around the world. Most famously, it is the name of a high-security psychiatric hospital in Crowthorne, England, that houses some of the country's most dangerous criminals deemed mentally ill. The hospital has a long history dating back to 1863 and has been the subject of numerous books and documentaries. In addition, Broadmoor is also the name of a neighborhood in New Orleans, Louisiana, as well as a type of carpet made by a company called Mohawk Industries. Overall, the name Broadmoor has different meanings depending on its context and location.